Hi, my name is Kristen Huey, and I'm here with Scott Cepek to talk about building a home using a 3D printer. Now, 3D printers have been around for a while, but building a home, can this really be done with a 3D printer?
Yeah, absolutely. That's possible today. In fact, there are several companies outside the US doing just that, using huge printers to print houses, making the walls from layers of concrete reinforced with rebar. The Chinese have a printer that they've used to print 10 small houses in a day. The one I'm talking about is designed by Andrei Rudenko in Minnesota. Andrei has printed a hotel suite in the Philippines and printed a small castle in Minnesota.
So, what are the benefits of building a home using a 3D printer?
Well, imagine coming home to a house that you don't have an electric or heat bill for anymore. It can grow food for you and can even power your vehicle. You built the home for about the same cost as a typical home the same size, but it's fire, flood, hurricane, and tornado resistant because it's made of concrete and rebar instead of wood. Your design choices can be more creative without it costing more. Your water usage is 70 to 90% less because you have atomizers for shower heads and faucets, and the home's design is so efficient it needs little heating or cooling. This is the future of home construction, and it's also a solution to our energy problem, building hyper-efficient homes that should produce more energy than they use by design for a similar wood home cost.
Wow, this sounds amazing. So, can you give me some more details about this?
Well, the home's design is called ZED, which stands for Zero Energy Design. The home is designed to need very little energy for heating and cooling using a solarium on the south side for heat and the Earth's cool temperature for cooling, plus a thermal buffer zone. What little heating and cooling needs there will be should be met by a properly sized solar system, which can be roof or ground mounted. The house will be connected to the electric grid, so there's no worrying about lights not coming on. In fact, the 30-year nickel iron battery setup will be directly connected to the refrigerator and LED lights. So in the event of a power outage, the lights and refrigerator stay on, and flipping a switch restores limited power to the rest of the house until power is restored.
So, you mentioned features in the house. What exactly are you wanting to put in it?
The 3D printing technique should allow all the walls to be up in 2 to 3 days and should save about 30% on the cost of construction, as well as some time, creating a home that is sturdier and fire resistant. The savings go into other areas like the solar setup and batteries. Solar cells now have 25 to 30-year warranty. There are also lithium batteries that can last 15 years with no maintenance. Iron Edison sells them. I'm thinking about an 8 to 10 kilowatt PV system for the first home. The home design comes from zeroenergydesign.com, which cycles air around the home without fans by design and needs little energy to keep the home temperate. Of course, it'll have energy efficient appliances. The solarium on the south side will be sized for an aquaponics system, though it could have a swimming pool or sunroom in future homes. Aquaponics is a closed-loop system of fish and plants. The fish dirty up the water, which is pumped to the plants. The plants love the water from the fish and get nutrients from it. The plants clean the water, and it's fed back to the fish. It uses 1/10 the water of traditional farming, and the plants grow in 1/2 the time organically in a small area. The showers will be equipped with water atomizers produced by Nebia. They use 70% less water and produce a better shower experience. A shower loop can filter, heat, and reuse what little water is used so a person can take long, guilt-free showers. Altered Nozzle produces atomizers for sinks that use 85 to 98% less water and screw into your existing faucet. Electric cars will become more popular with owners of net-positive homes, and yes, these are electric cars. Imagine every time you park in your garage that when you get back in, it's always full of fuel for free.
So, why is it so important to create a prototype?
For this to become a reality, we need to show buyers and builders that this produces a much better built home faster that saves homeowners hundreds of dollars per month. If enough support comes in, lots of homes can be built so people in other regions can see them as well. We can build energy positive new construction and make the economics of it work for both the buyer and the builder, and the market will drive the change. It has to start somewhere, and this is that start.